feel like I'm on an episode of Little House on the Prairie when Laura and the kids get stuck in a snowstorm. It's freezing and it's nasty. And my nose is so cold, but it's so pretty.